Looking for a vehicle you can trust? Welcome to Auto Park Brampton, your premier used car dealership in Brampton, Ontario. Here, confidence comes standard. Every vehicle undergoes a full safety inspection and includes a detailed 112-point report so that you're confident you are getting a quality car. Also included is a complimentary 90-day or 5,000-kilometer powertrain warranty for added peace of mind. Our transparent, no-haggle pricing means you'll always know exactly where you stand, with a straightforward buying experience from start to finish. Our commitment to reliability and honesty is reflected in more than 1,000 five-star Google reviews, and in how we serve every customer who walks through our doors. We've got a diverse team ready to assist you in multiple languages, and to ensure your experience is simple, comfortable, and clear. We are a proud member of the HomeLink Group, with 20 stores across the province, and with one simple promise, serving you better each and every day. Visit us in store or explore our inventory online at autoparkbrampton.ca and find the vehicle that's right for you.